Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the control center of your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your watch, swipe up from the bottom to get to the control center. Scroll to the bottom of it and tap Edit. You can now drag the controls to reorder them to your liking. You can also tap the red minus button on any controls you don't use to remove them from your control center. At the bottom, it shows controls that currently aren't visible, and you can tap the green plus to add them to your control center. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.